I'm Molly Hudson near 108th and L Streets. We've confirmed there are conversations happening between the city and the building's owner to demolish this abandoned hotel. A temporary injunction hearing scheduled for last week was moved to March 9th. This follows a lawsuit filed by the property owner in December after the city approved the use of Keno funds for the demolition. For years, we've been talking to neighbors who are tired of looking at this rundown building, waiting to see it demolished.
Looking out of my patio, I got to see it every day. So I don't want to see the graffiti no more. I don't like, I just don't like it. It's horrible. I pay too much money to be looking out the window.
Tuesday, a hopeful development for neighbors. City Attorney Matt Kuzy confirming they are in discussions with the property owner Newport Blue Impact about the demolition, something neighbor Eddie Mayberry hopes actually comes through.
But I hope so, because they keep saying it's going to get tore down. I've been here 2 years, so.
In a statement, Kuzy said in part, quote, "The city of Omaha is very pleased with this development. This site has been problematic for many years and a settlement for its demolition is in the city's best interest," end quote. Adding the city hopes once the building is gone, the land can be put to a, quote, "productive use." Kuzy did not have a timeline for when an agreement could be reached. I called the local attorneys for the property owner but have not heard back. Near 108th and L Streets, I'm Molly Hudson, your neighborhood reporter.